Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to get Facebook Marketplace back. So let's start the video. If Facebook Marketplace is missing, the first thing to check is if your app is up to date. Head to the Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and install any available updates. Sometimes missing features like Marketplace are restored with an update. Facebook Marketplace may not appear if your account is new or if you're in a country where it's not supported. Make sure your account is older than 30 days and is in a region where Marketplace is available. Also, another reason might be it's hidden from your tab bar. To check, go to the menu bar and click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. Scroll down and select tab bar. Select Customize the bar and click on this arrow next to Marketplace. Now click on Pin. It will show you at the pin bar. If you still have the problem, uninstall and reinstall the Facebook app. This clears cache issues and may refresh your access to Marketplace. So that's it. If this helped you out, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to Initial Solution for more quick tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.